Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and somebody left me a message from one of my videos yesterday. I was trying to help somebody do a arch of a brick wall, and I was having a curve, and I did several videos on it, and he goes, be much faster if you use the blend tool. And I first kind of questioned him because I'd tried the blend tool. So anyway, I got a 12-inch circle. I'm going to Control D and make it a 11-inch circle. And then I'm going to Control D, so I've got 3 circles, 3 ellipses. I'm going to hit P on the keyboard, put that straight line. I'm going to rotate that 45 degrees. I'm going to hit D, Control D, and I'm going to mirror that. Then I'm going to take all this other stuff away I do not need. I'm going to actually take away that line and that line. Now, because I draw in the center of the page, I'm going to take a 2-point line, and there's a node right in the center. I'm going to control and go to that node. So I've got my length of my line. Here's kind of the trick. You need 3 lines to do this the way I know how. So I'm going to move this out of the way. I'm going to take our line, and I'm going to Control D, and I'm going to make a duplicate, and I'm going to move it over. Now, it's going to be a little bit harder math-wise to figure out how many bricks, but you could play around with it. And if it doesn't matter, it doesn't matter. I'm going to go to Effects and Blend. I'm going to blend 12 times. Hit Apply. I'm going to go here and say New Path. I'm going to put it on there. I'm going to click on Blend Full Path and Rotate Object. Hit Apply. That's the reason I did the center line. Now we can take all this, arrange, break, blend apart, take our line and delete it. And now we can move these up. And voila, he's correct. And you could change that. You could have 13, you could have any number you wanted. And this way your bottom is arched, your top is arched, and now they're not individual bricks, but you could always fill them in with the Smart Fill tool. And well, matter of fact, the Smart Fill tool is not going to work. Let's see what's going on. Let's group object. Huh. No, it's filling everything in. It must have a leak, but that doesn't matter. You could make that work. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.